TE Connectivity, a voting member of the USB Implementers Forum, has launched a new line of USB 3.0 connectors and comprehensive product solutions.
Supporting a data transfer rate of up to 5 gigabits per second, USB 3.0 is 10 times faster than USB 2.0. These new easy-to-use USB 3.0 connectors retain all the features found in previous versions and meet all standards of the USB Implementers Forum. USB 3.0 reduces user wait times dramatically. A full high-definition movie can transfer in just 70 seconds. Plus, devices can be synchronized and charged more quickly than with USB 2.0. Furthermore, these connectors are backward compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.0 while offering optimized power efficiency by eliminating device polling and reducing active and idle power requirements.
TE Connectivity offers a full line of USB 3.0 connectors. The product line includes standard A and B type plugs and receptacles, reversed A plugs and receptacles, and other cable assemblies. We offer a product solution to meet any need, and our circuits and design team provides customers with high-quality customized services. TE's new USB 3.0 connectors are used in many of the digital products we use every day as part of our modern lifestyles. In addition to our complete service offerings, TE Connectivity distinguishes itself with advanced automated production facilities which enable stable, reliable products unrivaled in the marketplace. If it needs to be smarter, faster, better, we're in it. We are TE Connectivity.